Paralympic 2024 update medal tally top 20. Country number 1 China, gold 12, silver 9, bronze 4, total 25. Number 2 Great Britain, gold 6, silver 6, bronze 3, total 15. Number 3 Brazil, gold 5, silver 1, bronze 7, total 13. Number 4 Netherlands, gold 4, silver 1, bronze 1, total 6. Number 5 Italy, gold 3, silver 2, bronze 8, total 13. Number 6 Australia, gold 3, silver 2, bronze 2, total 7. Number 7 France, gold 2, silver 5, bronze 2, total 9. Number 8 Uzbekistan, gold 2, silver 2, bronze 2, total 6. Number 9 Colombia, gold 2, silver 1, bronze 1, total 4. Number 10 Tunisia, gold 2, silver 1, bronze 0, total 3. Number 11 Israel, gold 2, silver 0, bronze 0, total 2. Number 12 United States, gold 1, silver 6, bronze 0, total 7. Number 13 Ukraine, gold 1, silver 5, bronze 2, total 8. Number 14 Japan, gold 1, silver 3, bronze 2, total 6. Number 15 Turkey, gold 1, silver 3, bronze 2, total 6. Number 16 South Korea, gold 1, silver 2, bronze 2, total 5. Number 17 India, gold 1, silver 1, bronze 2, total 4. Number 18 Belgium, gold 1, silver 1, bronze 0, total 2. Number 19 Mongolia, gold 1, silver 1, bronze 0, total 2. Number 20 Spain, gold 1, silver 0, bronze 6, total 7. Stay tuned to our channel, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.